Hello guys, thank you so much for joining me today. So you guys, in today's video I'm about to enter Tjmaxx and we all will find out together what they have this week. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining. Please subscribe to this channel and ring the bell. Give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate that so much, and thank you so much for joining. Now you guys, without further ado, let's get into this video and let's see what we about to find. So please stay tuned. Oh, I can't believe they have this. This is Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Very beautiful foundation, you guys. I have used this in past and here it is only $14.99. Oh my goodness. And you can see here they have some Heavenly Skin It Cosmetics brushes. These are also $14.99. All of these palettes look so good and these are so affordable. Pixie, Laura Geller, and they also have some Ellen Tracy, Absolute. Laura Geller have very affordable palettes here in Tjmaxx, only $5.99, $4.99. And this is Laura Mercier cheek canvas, looks so good, $29.99. They also have Becca Skin Love foundations, those are only $8.99. and this is Laura Mercier foundation, $12.99. looks so good, right? And this is ABH contour cream kit. This is Smashbox All Summer Long Lip Eye Kit. Looks so good, $24.99. This is Wonder Beauty. So many people like this brand as well. This is ABH highlighters, Becca. Oh my goodness, a lot of great brands. And Too Faced palettes. I see some new Too Faced palettes here. This is Milani Pure Passion. All these beautiful looking Too Faced palettes are $14.99. Wow, you guys, I never knew that Peter Thomas has CC creams as well. This looks so pretty, so cool. It was in only one shade, medium, and it was $14.99. They have a lot of stuff by Too Faced Dew You line. These are primers, looks pretty good. These were $10.99. and they have a lot of Too Faced Tutti Frutti lipsticks. And this is Laura Mercier cream silk cream foundation and Laura Mercier lip kits. This foundation is $9.99 and these kits are $12.99. I like when they keep these the makeup in this security devices. I hate when people open all seals. This is Cover FX Water Cloud Primer and this primer retails for $9.99. Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Defense are $9.99 here. They have Bare Minerals Bare Skin concealers as well. Pretty cool. Those concealer are only $5.99, you guys. And look at all this skincare, you guys. Oh my goodness, they have a lot of high-end brands here. Perricone, they have Lancome, they have Elizabeth Arden, and Peter Thomas, Clearasil, L'Oreal, and Simple. They have a lot of great brands here. These Kiehl's herbal infused micellar cleansing water looks so cool, $15.99. Too Faced Watermelon Dewy Glow Setting Spray looks so damn cool, $14.99. Alright you guys, so I am home finally and I'm about to share with you what I have purchased today. So first thing first, this is a win-win situation you guys. I got this Nars all day luminous weightless foundation. You guys, I have used this foundation in past. I remember I paid $50 for this, and this was in only $14.99 in Tjmaxx, and I'm so lucky that I found it in my shade as well. This is in shade light 5. If you have light to medium skin tone, it has neutral leading to warm undertone. Oh yeah, this is a win-win situation today you guys. I found this in Tjmaxx in just $14.99, so I happened to purchase this. And also I purchased this ultra repair cream, intense hydration skin protectant by First Aid Beauty. So excited for this as well because I have used quite a few products from First Aid Beauty. This is an amazing brand you guys. They are free of a lot of harsh chemicals and harsh ingredients. That's why I highly recommend this brand, and so excited for this as well. It was only $7.99. I ripped it a little bit. Okay, plus I picked up this for myself. This is 3-in-1 color correcting cream, color correcting cushion. So this is a cushion, looks so cool to me. You know, sometimes you like to go without any makeup. This is great for that. I mean, I have high hopes for this product as well. So yes, this was all my shopping. Alright you guys, so my foundation just jumped over there. My foundation don't want to stay in my hand. I have these two products in my hand right now. So yes you guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you guys found it good. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for joining me today you guys. Take care. Bye bye.